DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making German glass glitter. Now, I know a lot of you are concerned about the environment and microplastics, so this is a nice alternative. We're coloring it with Marabu Alcohol Inks. Now, before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some glass glitter. I'm gonna leave a link to the Marabu Alcohol Inks so you know where to get them. Also, I like to use E6000 Plus because it has a tight grip and it dries crystal clear, so it's perfect for German glass glitter. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.